I'm joined now by Dr. James Thackeray talking cardiology at the meeting. Thank you for joining me.
Thank you.
I want to talk specifically about the goals for cardiovascular care when it comes to nuclear medicine.
So I think the evolving way of looking at nuclear cardiology and translational cardiovascular molecular imaging is really seeing how we can bring the image closer to the actual therapy. So the things that we're actually starting to see are new molecular imaging markers that can allow us to look at really early stages of disease and refine how we actually treat those patients using very specific molecular targeted therapies.
So specifically here at the meeting, talk about some of the topics within that realm that are being highlighted here.
So a couple of areas that are particularly exciting are in inflammation imaging, which inflammatory cells invade the damaged region in a wide range of different cardiovascular diseases. And by targeting those cells with the imaging agents, we can actually get an idea of which patients are at greater risk of developing further complications of the disease and which patients will actually advance to more overt heart failure. The same thing can be said in looking at activated fibroblasts. There's new agents available now looking at fibroblast activation protein, which is upregulated in a transient set of cardiac fibroblasts that actually participate in the active remodeling phase of the heart. So if we can harness this in visualizing which patients have a stronger fibroblast activity, we can then think about ways that we can treat that and prevent the progression of heart failure in those patients.
And it provides opportunity to have patients sort of stop their heart disease from moving forward and really live a more productive and healthy life.
That's correct. I think by identifying, especially when we're talking about new and targeted molecular therapies that are really going to be specific to the individual, who will not necessarily all be the same, then being able to screen which patients will respond to that therapy is really beneficial.
Was there one thing that stands out for you as being most exciting in the field?
I think where we are starting to merge together the imaging and the therapy is really the exciting part. Cardiology has lagged behind a little bit in this. We've spent a lot of time focused on measuring perfusion, which does an excellent job of predicting long-term outcomes, but really doesn't address what we can actually therapeutically modify in the progression of the disease. So as these agents become available, I think we have a better opportunity to intervene in the patients that can really benefit from these new therapeutic interventions.
And make a difference. Dr.
Precisely.
Thackeray, we appreciate your time and your research.
Thank you very much.